Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NAPH. I'm your tutor Mr. PK, and if you are new to this channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Alright, so today we have a problem on calculus. If you are new to this channel, you're highly welcome. You can pause the video and attempt the question and come back to the video. So let's get right into the question and solve it together. Alright, so the question says if y is equals to x squared minus 1 over x, find the y over the x. Alright, so our simple solution to this problem is going to be, the first thing is I have something that I can recognize here, which is this. Okay. Now from our indices, we know that if I have x raised to power minus 1, it means 1 over what? X. This is from what? Indices. Okay. So now I can replace the value of this, okay, as this. Okay, in this expression. So let's replace it. So this is going to be y is equals to x squared. Okay, so instead of 1 over x, we are going to impute minus what? So we have x raised to power minus 1. All right. So having gotten that, the next thing is we have to recall, okay, that if we have, okay, let's say y is equals to what? X raised to power n. Our dy over what dx becomes what? Using the general what method. N as a power comes to multiply what x. So n multiply x. Okay. Then we subtract 1 from the power. Right? So we are going to apply this, okay, this general what method to this expression. So let's apply it and see what comes out. So I'm going to have my dy over dx is going to be, okay, I have this as 2 comes down to multiply x, like we have n, the power n coming to multiply x. So 2 comes down to multiply what? X, and we subtract what? 1 from the power. Now for this, we have minus. Minus 1 comes down to multiply x, okay, and we subtract minus 1 from the power. Alright? So, what is this going to give us? Okay, let's see if we simplify further. And we have our dy over dx is equals to, this is 2 times x, okay? So I have 2 times x, 2 minus 1 is 1, okay? So minus times minus is going to give us plus, okay? So 1 times x is still what? Our x. Now minus 1 is going to give us minus 2, okay? So that's the new expression. Now let's simplify further to see what we are going to get. So our dy over dx is going to be, this is 2x plus, now from indices, okay, I know if I have x raised to power minus n, okay, can be written as what? 1 over what? X raised to power n. Okay, this is the inverse law of indices. So we are going to apply this to this. So we are going to remove this minus like we have on the right hand side. So we have 1 over what? Then we are going to write all this without the minus. So x raised to power what? 2. Okay. So this that we have gives us the final solution to this problem. So our dy over dx is equals to what? 2x plus what? 1 over what? X squared. Alright, so that gives us the solution to this problem. I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and send this video to somebody that it may be of help to. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.